Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the Filmora 14's AI copywriting feature, a game changer for content creators. If you are someone who spends a ton of time brainstorming ideas, writing scripts, or coming up with a catchy video titles, then you are in for a treat. Let's see how Filmora is making the creative process easier and faster with AI copywriting. So, what exactly is Filmora AI copywriting feature? In short, it's a built-in tool powered by ChatGPT that helps generate everything from video scripts to YouTube titles and descriptions. This is perfect for creators looking to streamline their video production without compromising quality. Imagine this: you have a killer idea for a video, but you are stuck trying to put it into the words. Now, all you need to do is type in a brief description of your video idea, and Filmora AI copywriting feature will create a script for you in seconds. It takes the guesswork out of the copywriting, letting you focus on what you do the best, creating. Let's dive in. First, let's open Filmora and enable the AI copywriting tool. Okay, you will find it in multiple places, right? The startup page, title customization panel, export settings, and even after the export is completion. Okay, I found it here. Okay, on the startup page, right? So we have it here. Okay, just type in a few keywords of a short descriptions of your video idea. Okay, so let's say they want to create a script about gardening, and let's generate. All right, watch the magic happen. Okay, look at this. In seconds, we have a fully generated script that's tailored to our topic. You can specify details like tone, audience, or the length, and AI will adapt to your needs. You just need to type it in here, what type of tone, and everything else what you want to do, and that will be generated for you as the way you like it. Okay, but it doesn't stop there. Filmora's AI copywriting can also create engaging video titles and descriptions that can boost your SEO and increase engagement on platforms like YouTube. So if you are not the best at the writing catchy titles, Filmora has you covered. Okay, here is an example. I will type a quick description. Okay, so let's say that the title. Okay, and Filmora generate YouTube titles and descriptions for me. All right, you can let me see. I'll just do the YouTube video titles. All right, same about the garden. Okay, all right. So and go. And it's a matter of only a few seconds. All right, it's like having a personal marketing assistant right on your desktop. Plus, it's super easy to customize. If there is any specific tone or word choice you prefer, you can tweak it. The AI is suggesting to make it truly yours. You just have to type it here, whatever you want, and that will be actually do the way you like it. Okay, so who is this Filmora for? Okay, this feature of Filmora is for, well, pretty much for everyone. Whether you are an influencer, okay, trying to reach out to wider audience, or a marketer, okay, with tight deadlines, or a freelancer looking to save time, or even a hobbyist. Okay, Filmora AI copywriting feature is designed to make video production faster and more accessible. Okay, so Filmora's AI copywriting isn't just a tool, it's like having a creative partner that helps you get more done in less time. All right, so what's the verdict? Filmora's AI copywriting feature is in version 14. It's a huge win for creators looking to save time and boost creativity. It's user-friendly, reliable, and saves you from writer's block. If you are ready to make your video creating process to the next level, give Filmora 14 a try. You won't regret it. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments what you think about Filmora's AI copywriting feature. Would you use it? Okay, just let me know inside the comments. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.